So while I'm in Rancho, Cucamonga today, and I'm walking, just trying to get to a place to eat. I think it's an IHOP across the street. I wanted to share my thoughts on a few things. I live in Canada. I live in British Columbia, in what's called the Lower Mainland area. So that's in the Vancouver general area. And I've been in this neighborhood, my neighborhood, for almost more than a decade. And so I consider myself an immigrant. I'm also an international student, a product of that school also, because I did a master's degree out of UVic. I'm a teacher. I advocate for immigrants' rights. I'm very much consider myself a community builder. So I'm hoping to get questions on anything on those topics. But I'm also in healthcare, so anything that touches on healthcare, how to access healthcare, finding work in the healthcare field, mental health, right? And healthcare as a whole, not just getting sick and getting treated for that, but things you can do to prevent that. So that's why you'll see a lot of travel, because mental health is big in Canada. And one way to show you have good mental health is to take breaks, travel, eat, have fun, spend time with family, talk to your neighbors, play a sport. So all those things we'll try to touch in this channel. So I'm hoping to get feedback, get a response. And if you like the direction of this channel, do let me know. Subscribe, like. For those of my students who I taught before, if you'd like to reach out, do email me. If you have any questions, I'm happy to hear from you. Maybe not the comment section, because I won't see those, but I'm happy to hear from any of you. And it's Christmas, so Merry Christmas. Have a blessed New Year. God bless to one and all.